Hello everyone, happy Valentine's Day.
Srećan dan zaljubljeni.
Oh, thank you so much. Look what I got for Valentine's Day from my lovely
love
wife.
you.
I love you too. So, if you haven't had a chance to watch my wife's video yet on the heart-shaped cake that she made for Valentine's Day, please do so. It is phenomenal. Wait till you see this.
Just for you.
Oh, thank you so much. Oh, she's awesome. So, that puts a lot of pressure on me. So now I have to come up with something for my wife. I mean, she made me a heart-shaped Valentine's Day cake. So I am going to make her a heart-shaped Serbian burger. As we say back home, Pljeskavice u Obliku Srca. So that's what you're going to get from me.
Oh, hvala.
You're welcome. Thank you. So without further ado, we're going to go ahead and set up our station, and we'll see you soon. All right. Welcome back. I've gotten a little bit of a head start here. So what I have in the bowl here is 1 pound of ground pork and 4 pounds of ground beef, right about an 80-20 mix.
Šta je Jovan sad rekao? Ovdje imamo oko 450-500 grama mlevene svinjetine i 2 kilograma mlevene junetine. To je dosta mesa. Mi volimo pljeskavice.
Oh, yes, we do. So this is going to make a lot of Serbian burgers, okay? And what I'm doing now, before I start adding the seasonings, is I want to get a good mix of the ground pork and the ground beef. So it looks like we've got them mixed in real nice. So I'm going to make like a little cavity in the middle here.
Okay.
And this is where I'm going to start putting in my seasonings.
So Jovan je izmešao dobro svo meso i sad ćemo polako da dodajemo sve začine unutra.
So I've gone ahead and put in 2 teaspoons of Choy Soy Sauce. This is not in the original recipe handed down to me for about 3 or 4 generations.
Yes.
So yes, they do not use soy sauce back home. But this is what's going to give my pljeskavice, just the upper edge. Okay.
So sad dok Jovan nastavi druge začine, stavili smo soja sos. Ja verujem da može se naći u Srbiji svugde. Soja sos da vrlo specifičan ukus i naši ga ne koriste u Srbiji u pljeskavicama, ali mi volimo da fantastičan ukus.
All right. So now what we're going to do is we're going to add 2 teaspoons of Spanish paprika and 3 tablespoons of Vegeta, which is that it's that dry vegetable seasoning that we get at the European import store. You can use any dry vegetable seasoning of your preference if you cannot find the Vegeta, but we find that that is the most flavorful.
So imamo 2 kašičice aleve paprike. Mi koristimo špansku alevu papriku, ali možete da stavite i obično ako nemate. I 3 kašike Vegete ili začina C, šta god možete da nađete.
Okay. So because the Vegeta is salty, so that's why we're not going to add a whole bunch of salt. So what we have here is we have 1 tablespoon of Himalayan salt. We have 1 tablespoon of black ground pepper. We have 1 tablespoon of, now here's another seasoning that I put in that they don't use across the pond. This is Lawry seasoned salt. So we're going to hit them with that as well. And then we have 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. So let's get all that in there.
Ok, so imamo 1 kašika bibera, velika kašika, 1 kašika, mi koristimo himalajsku so, imamo 1 kašiku Lawry's. Lawry's je mešavina začina koja može da se nađe ovde. Ako imate nešto slično u Srbiji, možete da stavite to. I kašičica, ako sam u pravu, kašičica, dosta ingredijensa, kašičica belog luka u prahu.
Super. Tako. Onda ja ću da krenem ovo malo da razmiješam ovde. So I'm going to go ahead and get going here and get all this mixed in here real nice. before
always smells good.
I know, doesn't it? Before I start adding some of the other ingredients. So, mix it in good. I usually start at the bottom of the bowl, come over the top, squeeze with the fingers, kind of like my wife was doing with the cake that she made, that base with the plasma. What were those little guys? We call them plasma, but here in the States...
It's like a ground biscuit.
Oh, the biscuits, yes.
So šta Jovan radi, samo dobro će da izmeša ovo meso, tako da svi sastojci koje stavio unutra su podjednako raspoređeni. And then posle toga će dodati i rest of ingredients.
Okay, so we've gotten a good start on getting all this mixed. So I'm going to ask my wife if she would put in 1/4 of a cup of oil. This is vegetable oil.
Ok, so ovo je obično ulje, stavit ćemo samo otprilike oko možda 100 do 150 ml sada.
Okay, so there's a full cup of oil here. You're only going to use 1/4 of a cup in the meat mix. The rest of the oil we're going to brush it on the pan later when we're getting the pljeskavices ready to grill. Also, we're going to brush it on top of the pljeskavice or the burgers before they go on the grill. So they're going to be real nice and juicy inside. Oh man.
Ok, so ovdje imamo oko 250 ml ulja sve skupa, obično ulje koristimo. Možete i maslinovo, mi koristimo obično ulje. Stavite možda samo oko 100 do 150 ml u meso, a resto će biti da se podmaže pleh prije nego što stavimo pljeskavice na pleh i naravno odozgo da se namažu pljeskavice prije nego što odu na roštilj. I to će da bude fantazija.
Oh, I can't wait.
Oh, me too.
It's already starting to get that pljeskavice look to it. And,
okay, let me help you here.
Oh, okay.
Because there is a lot of meat.
Am I getting a little carried away here?
Yes.
All right, so here are our final 2 ingredients for the pljeskavice before we start forming them. So what we have here is 1 hot banana pepper, and that is diced pretty thin. Now you don't want too big of chunks because it's got a lot of heat. If you do not like spicy, just leave the ingredient out. It's quite all right. We happen to love spicy, so that is going into our pljeskavice. Also, I took 1 Vidalia onion, halved it, and then we chopped half of the Vidalia onion. The other half we chopped as well, but we're going to save that later because you're going to want to serve that with your Serbian burgers on the side. Okay? All right, so baby.
Ok, so šta Jovan ima ovdje je jedna ljuta papričica. Znate one dugačke leskovačke ljute papričice. On ima jednu malo manju isečenu na vrlo, vrlo sitne komade, zato što nećete kad zagrizate pljeskavicu da zagrizate veliki komad vrlo ljute paprike. Ne morate da stavite u pljeskavice, mi volimo ljuto, naravno naši roditelji su leskovčani, so to je nasljedno, so mi stavljamo papriku i da fantastičan ukus pljeskavicama. I ovdje imamo polovinu većeg luka, koji je običan crni luk, koji je iseskan vrlo sitno, a drugu polovinu luka ćemo služiti kad su pljeskavice gotove.
Okay, baby. Oh, there it goes. Here comes the heat.
Yep.
And here come the onions that are just going to add tremendous flavor to these burgers. Oh, man.
Ok, ja ću da pomuljam opet. Ovo, pošto ima dosta mesa, možete da uradite i u električnom mikseru. Verovatno bi bilo lakše. Moj Jovan samo voli da osjeti meso rukom, so on voli da promeša to dobro. So kako god vi volite, tako radite kako je vama lakše.
Sometimes you have to experiment with any recipe and try and be unique with something and do it your way and, add ingredients that you like, take away ingredients that you don't like. There's some ingredients in original pljeskavice that I don't use in mine, but then there's ingredients that I use in mine that are not in the original pljeskavice recipe. So, Yeah, I think our meat's ready, babe. Let's go ahead and let's get that cutting board down here so I can start forming you your heart-shaped
Oh,
Pljeskavice.
thank you.
We'll be right back. We're gonna take a silicone brush and then we're gonna brush our cutting board with oil so that our meat doesn't stick to that. And plus, it's always nice to get a little bit of oil on your meat. There is nothing wrong with that. That's just going to give it flavor. And with the oil that we have left, we're going to brush them as well.
So što je ova radi, on maže ulje, tako kad prebacite ulje na dasku, meso na dasku, ja svinjam, da se ne zalepi za dasku i onda sa ostatkom ulja ćemo, naravno ću makati ovaj cutter da izvadi srca i ostalo će biti preko pljeskavica pre nego što odu na roštilj.
Okay, Mili, ajde mi da počnemo. Would you like to take some of that meat for me and put it on the cutting board?
Oh my, that's a lot of meat.
Doesn't that smell good? Yeah, it's going to make, well, you know, we have a 15-year-old son.
Yes.
And a 12-year-old daughter, and I'm telling you, these two, they have no mercy when it comes to food. Especially when they know mom and dad are going to be grilling and baking, and I mean, you know, we had to lock them in their rooms while we made this. These poor kids. No, I'm just kidding.
Nisu lakti, nisu zaključene sobe, što ja vam govori je, imamo 2 tinejdžera u kući, 15 i 12, koji vole srpsku hranu, vole pljeskavice, tako da mi uvek moramo napravimo više.
Oh yeah.
Okay, to ću tebi da prepustim da.
So now, guys, you want to just, you know, flatten the meat out to the desired thickness of your burgers. You know, at this point, you know, we're trying to make heart-shaped burgers, and we want them to be just a little bit thicker than your average pljeskavica. I mean, you can use, or you know, a baking roller pin or something at this point to make it easier. But if you do that, bear in mind you should put some oil on top of that, or it's going to stick to your meat as well. So.
Tako dobro miriše. Oh wow. Jovi.
Yes, it's going to be good. I know, me too. It's going to be delicious. So you don't have to get a measuring tape, guys. I mean, just...
Otprilike.
Yeah, I mean, we're looking pretty good thickness here. We're about 3/4 of an inch thick. I think that's pretty much what this is, about 3/4 of an inch. So I think we're good to go. And then what we're going to do now, after we take out the heart-shaped Serbian burger, we have to set it off to the side somewhere. So we've gone ahead and put some foil on a pan here, and now we're gonna get some oil on top of that, so they don't stick there either.
Yes.
All right. So let me do that.
So sad smo formirali ovo meso. So za one koji prave recimo krofne, ovo je sličan princip, rastanjite testo i vadite krofne, ovdje rastanjite meso i vadite pljeskavice. I Jovan će da podmaže pleh, ovo što je šuška je pleh sa folijom, on će da podmaže ulje, naravno da se ne zalepi meso.
Okay. Babe, ako možeš samo da staviš pleh tamo do tebe. I've just asked my wife if she would be so kind as to put that cookie sheet, foil-covered cookie sheet next to her.
Yes, I'm a little helper.
Yes, you are. Okay, so we've dipped our form in. I kind of like go ahead and there it is, folks. Our first burger has come out.
Oh my goodness.
Look at that, huh? There you go.
Yachu.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day, baby.
All right, thank you.
Oh my God, izgleda fantastic.
It sure does, doesn't it? All right, let's get another one out of here. So guys, when you do this, you got to distance it a little bit. So move it up and down so that you can get your fingers in there and dig this beautiful looking heart-shaped pljeskavica out of there. Guys, I mean, look at that. Man, oh man. Flavor, flavor, flavor. Oh,
Perfektno.
they're just popping out, huh? Here they come.
Tvoja ćerka je veliki ljubitelj srca i sve što ima veze sa srcem, se ona će ovo mnogo voliti.
Yes, our daughter is big into hearts, and so, you know, this is going to be right up her alley.
Yep.
Everything is good. So guys, now we're just going to take the remainder and get it back here towards the middle. And
Samo nastavite. Jovan kaže sad ćemo sve ponovo da promešamo i ponovo da rastanjimo i samo nastavite da vadite i stavljate na pleh.
okay, guys, here we go again. Let's get this meat spread out for our next set.
Izvini, ja samo volim da to
Oh
lepo
no,
sve.
you go right ahead. You go right ahead. Make yourself at home. Another great idea.
Yes.
We don't want to miss that step. So at this point, before you put the parchment paper over that first row of burgers, put some vegetable oil on them. Brush it on them. Get a good coating of vegetable oil on them. That way the parchment paper is not going to stick to them either, because you know you're going to start another row on top. So, all right, while my wife's doing that, I'm going to start knocking out another row here. All right, our heart-shaped burgers, Serbian burgers to be precise, our Pljeskavice u Obliku Srca, or Srca. I hope I said that correctly for all my family and friends across the pond. But they're ready to go. We've got a nice coating of vegetable oil on them. You want to do this because this will keep them nice and tender and moist on the grill. And my grill is hot and ready, although it's only 1 degree outside. So let's eat. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Okay, we're back inside, and man, look out. So I'm gonna cut into one of these babies. These are the heart-shaped Serbian hamburgers. Pljeskavice u Obliku Srca, as we say in Serbian. This salad here is called shopska salata. This salad we have the recipe for if you happen to catch our video on garlic butter pork chops. You'll get the recipe for that. Juicy, tender, full of flavor, inside and out. Nice char on there. Folks, take a close look at that. I mean, the juices are just falling out of this meat. Oh. I make these for my wife on Valentine's Day every year. Love you, babe. Enjoy your dinner as much as I'm going to enjoy it. Thank you, and we'll see you next time.